Hello everyone, for more updates subscribe, turn on bell icon. The best Android tricks you're probably not using, so let's start. Here are some very interesting tricks. 1. Become a developer. It is one of the most popular Android tricks ever. You might have observed the build number in the About section of the devices, or precisely in the Software Info section. You just need to tap on the build number for 7 times continuously to start the countdown and finally get the message, "Congratulations, you are now a developer." After doing that, just head back to the Settings menu where you will find a new option, Developer Options. With that being accessible, you can do a variety of experimental things that may be of any use to you. Don't rush trying any option that you don't know about. 2. Try Smart Lock. It makes things way convenient for you to use your smartphone at home, trusted places with ease. You just need to add trusted devices or locations or facial recognition where the smartphone would automatically get unlocked for you to use. So, you won't have to unlock the phone again and again. 3. Stop unknown notifications. There is a possibility that you are being repeatedly disturbed by some annoying notifications. Well, chances are, those are the unnecessary notifications reminding you to continue to play a game or so. You can simply head on to the Settings to Apps. Now, you just need to select the app for which you want to disable notifications by navigating to the notification option inside. 4. Use any app in multi-window mode. It is true that not all of the applications tend to work with the new multi-window feature on Android Nougat. But, there's a simple tweak that you can make use of in order to make incompatible apps compatible, with the multi-window feature. For this, you need to head on to the Developer Options and enable the option to force activities to be resizable. 5. Disable auto updates. Play Store. Usually, when connected to Wi-Fi, the applications start getting updated from the Play Store. And, if you don't stop it manually, it would install every update available on the Play Store for the apps installed on your device. In order to prevent this, launch the Google Play Store and head to the Settings. Now, click on Auto Update Apps, and set it to Do No Auto Update Apps. 6. One-handed operation. The option lets you use your device without the need of holding the device with 2 hands. It basically scales the screen size to a smaller size which you can easily operate one-handed. It's easy and convenient not just if you have a small-sized hand, but if you're busy eating or carrying out a task that makes it difficult for single-handed operation, you should keep this enabled. Thanks for watching.